Hey everybody, Adam Savage here, and welcome back to the Tech Review channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of drones with a look at the hottest new release of 2024. Drones have revolutionized everything from photography to package delivery, and the tech just keeps getting better. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just starting to explore the skies, we're here to break down the latest and greatest drone technology. We'll explore its features, put its performance to the test, and help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs and budget. So buckle up, get ready for takeoff, and let's explore the future of flight. Today's star attraction is none other than the Sky King 3000. This drone has been generating a ton of buzz online, and for good reason. It boasts an impressive array of features, promising longer flight times, stunning camera capabilities, and intelligent flight modes that make capturing incredible aerial footage easier than ever. But does it live up to the hype? That's what we're here to find out. We'll be putting the Sky King 3000 through its paces, testing its limits and comparing it to its predecessors and competitors. Get ready for an in-depth look at this cutting-edge drone. First impressions matter, and let me tell you, the Sky King 3000 does not disappoint straight out of the box. The packaging is sleek and sturdy, hinting at the quality within. Inside, you'll find the drone itself, nestled securely, along with all the essentials: the remote controller, spare propellers, a battery, and the charger. The drone itself has a really solid build quality. It feels sturdy and well-made, with a design that's both stylish and functional. The propellers are easy to attach, and the battery slots in smoothly. Overall, the Sky King 3000 makes a great first impression. It's clear that a lot of thought went into both the design and the unboxing experience. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty and talk about what this drone can do. The Sky King 3000 is not just any ordinary drone, it's a marvel of modern technology. The Sky King 3000 is packing some serious tech under the hood. From its robust build to its advanced features, this drone is designed to impress both hobbyists and professionals alike. It boasts a flight time of up to 35 minutes, which is pretty impressive for a drone in this class. This extended flight time means you can spend more time exploring and less time worrying about recharging. That means more time in the air capturing those epic shots. Whether you're filming a sunset or a sprawling landscape, the Sky King 3000 ensures you won't miss a moment. The camera is where the Sky King 3000 really shines. It's not just any camera, it's a high-performance 4K camera that brings your aerial photography to the next level. It's equipped with a 4K camera capable of shooting at 60 frames per second, allowing you to capture incredibly smooth and detailed footage. This means your videos will be crisp, clear, and professional-looking. It also features a 3-axis gimbal for stabilization, ensuring your shots are buttery smooth, even in windy conditions. No more shaky videos, just pure, stable footage every time. Another standout feature is the intelligent flight modes. These modes are designed to make flying easier and more intuitive, even for beginners. The Sky King 3000 offers a variety of pre-programmed flight paths like orbit and follow me, making it easy to capture cinematic shots even if you're a beginner pilot. These intelligent modes take the guesswork out of flying, allowing you to focus on getting the perfect shot every time. Section 5, Taking Flight Performance and Handling. Alright, time to take this bird for a spin. The anticipation builds as we prepare for liftoff. Getting the Sky King 3000 up in the air is a breeze. With just a gentle push on the throttle, it ascends gracefully. The drone connects quickly to the controller, and the controls are intuitive and responsive. Every movement feels natural and precise. Even if you're new to flying drones, you'll be able to pick it up in no time. The learning curve is minimal, making it accessible for everyone. In the air, the Sky King 3000 handles like a dream. It responds to every command with smooth and fluid movements. It's stable and predictable, even in slightly windy conditions. You won't have to worry about sudden gusts throwing it off course. The drone is surprisingly quiet for its power, making it ideal for capturing footage without disturbing the piece. Its low noise profile is perfect for serene environments. The intelligent flight modes worked flawlessly, allowing me to capture some truly stunning shots without breaking a sweat. Features like Follow Me and Orbit Mode make complex shots simple. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the Sky King 3000 makes it easy to capture professional-looking footage. Its high-quality camera ensures every shot is crisp and clear, elevating your aerial photography to new heights. Section 6. Picture-perfect camera, quality, and capabilities. Let's talk about the star of the show, the camera, which is truly impressive. The SkyKing 3000's 4K camera does not disappoint at all. The footage it captures is simply stunning, with vibrant colors, sharp details, and excellent dynamic range. Even in low-light conditions, the camera performs admirably, producing usable footage with minimal noise. The 3-axis gimbal does an excellent job of keeping the footage stable, even when the drone is moving at higher speeds. This is crucial for capturing smooth, cinematic shots that look like they were taken from a professional film crew. Overall, the SkyKing 3000's camera is top-notch and more than capable of capturing professional quality footage for all your aerial photography and videography needs. Section 7. The verdict. Is the SkyKing 3000 worth your money? So the big question is the SkyKing 3000 worth the investment? In a word, absolutely. This drone has been designed with both amateurs and professionals in mind, making it versatile and user-friendly. This drone ticks all the boxes. It's well-built, easy to fly, packed with features, and boasts an incredible camera. The build quality is robust, ensuring durability even in challenging conditions. The user interface is intuitive, making it accessible for beginners while still offering advanced settings for seasoned users. Whether you're a professional photographer, a videographer, or just someone who loves capturing stunning aerial footage, the SkyKing 3000 is an excellent choice. Its high-resolution camera captures crisp, clear images and videos, making it perfect for any creative project. It's a significant step up from its predecessors and easily competes with the best drones on the market. The enhancements in flight stability and camera quality are noticeable, making it a top contender in its price range. Sure, it's not the cheapest drone out there, but you definitely get what you pay for. The investment is justified by its performance, reliability, and the sheer number of features it offers. The SkyKing 3000 offers an unbeatable combination of performance, features, and ease of use, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about drone photography and videography. Its ability to perform complex maneuvers with ease and capture breathtaking footage sets it apart from the competition. Section 8. Thanks for flying with us. Well, folks, that's a wrap on our review of the SkyKing 3000. We hope you found this deep dive into the world of drones informative and helpful. If you're considering taking to the skies, the SkyKing 3000 is definitely worth checking out. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep your eyes on the skies.